Hello, you're welcome once more to MEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Booking. If you're new to the channel, you're highly and highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students of yours, that needs to improve visual skill in maths. So let's get right into today's question. We have a question on English. The question says solve 8 raised to power x, okay, minus 2 is equals to what? 4 raised to power 3x. So our solution, all we need to do in this kind of question is we want to simplify what we have at the right and left hand side so that they have the same base. So for instance, 4 we know means what? 2 times 2, which is equals to 2 squared. Okay? And we are solving indices, we want to keep numbers in index form. Let's do for 8, we have 8 as what? 2 times what? 2 times what? 2. That will give us 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay, so all I need to do is I'm going to substitute, okay, instead of 4, we are going to use this, and instead of 8, we are going to use this. All right, so let's apply that. So I'm going to have this, okay, as 2 raised to the power of 3 or 8. So multiply by what we have, what x minus 2 out there is equal to what? We have 4 as what? 2 raised to the power of 2. Okay, multiply by what? 3x out there. Okay, now you have to remember your double what? Power what? Law. So when you have your double power like this, okay, all you need to do is you are going to what? Multiply the powers, so n times 10. Okay, this is one of the laws of indices, so we're actually going to apply it to what we have here. So it means 3 is going to multiply this, so I have 2. Okay, so we have 3 multiply x minus 2, and here we have 2 raised to power 2 multiply what? 3x. Okay, so let's simplify further. So simplifying further, we are going to have, there's going to be 2 raised to power what? We have 3 times what? X, which is 3x, minus what? 3 times 2. So I have 3 times 2. So this will be equal to what? 2 times 3 here. 3x here is going to give us what? We have 6x. Okay? So from that, we can now check and compare. Okay, so I have 2 raised to power what? 3x minus 3 times 2 is 6 is equals to what? 2 raised to power what? 6x. Okay, so if we compare, you can see that 2 is equals to 2, so 2 is equals to 2, and we have what? Okay, 3x minus 6 is equals to what? 6x. Okay, since they have the same basis, okay, you can also equally cancel them out, but it is best to see compare, all right? So now let's solve this to get the value of x, to this problem. So we have the 3x minus 6 is equals to what? We have 6x, okay? Now, what we need to do is we have to collect what? Like terms. So collect like terms, meaning we have to keep all the x on one side. So it means I'm going to what? Subtract. Of course, we want to bring this to this side. I'm going to subtract 3x here. Remember there's a plus here, so we're also going to subtract 3x here. Okay? In math, whatever you do to the left-hand side, you also have to do to the right-hand side. So let's see what that gives us. So plus 3x minus 3x is 0. So we have 0 minus 6. And this is 3x minus, this is 6x minus 3x, which will give us 3x. 0 minus 6 will give us minus 6, which is equals to what? 3x. So at this point, what do you do to get the value of x? You want to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So I'm going to divide this by 3. I'm also going to divide this by 3. Okay? So these will cancel out, these we are left with what? X. Okay? So this will cancel out this. So we have 1, 2. So we have minus 2 over 1, which is still equals to minus 2. So minus 2 gives us a simple solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Ensure you hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.